Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. You need to start by opening Tab menu. Following that, just look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings and click on display section instead. Now scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!